colors all around. Yellow like the sunshine up in the sky. Yellow like a banana in a monkey's eye. Spin in a circle, touch your nose. What's something yellow? Strike a pose. Oh! Colors, colors, colors all around. In the sky, the sea, the ground. Sing it loud and sing it proud. Let's go find colors all around. Blue like the ocean, deep and wide. Blue like the jeans that you wear outside. Wave your hands and wiggle your toes. Find something blue, anything goes. Green like the grass where the bunnies hop. Green like the peas in a dinner pot. March like a frog, ribbon on cue. Can you spot green? I bet you do. So, orange is the color of a pumpkin face. Purple like a wizard in a magic place. Pink is sweet like candy and cake. So many colors, which one will you take? Colors, colors here and there. Let's find colors everywhere. Jumping, dancing around. Hooray for colors all around.